Please introduce yourself.
So my name is Prince Kumar Datta. I was born in Bhagalpur, Bihar. I did my class 10th from DAV Bhagalpur, and thereafter for my plus 2s I went to DAV BSCB Patna. I did my BTech in electrical engineering from Heritage Institute of Technology. My hobbies include playing guitar, writing Hindi poetry, and recently I started drawing sketches.
Tell me about your hobbies.
Sir, I write Hindi poetry, I play guitar, and recently I started drawing sketches.
What is minor and major scale in guitar?
So major scale is for higher pitch sound and the minor scale is for the lower pitch sound.
Okay. And who is the famous guitarist in India?
Sorry sir,
What are the types of guitar?
So there are acoustic guitar and a hybrid one where electric and acoustic can be played together, and there is electric guitar. 3 types of guitar are there.
Hawaiian?
No sir, I am classifying it on the basis of you can amplify the sound. Like electric guitar, you can plug it and amplify the sound. Acoustic guitar, you cannot plug in. It is like a simple guitar, and the hybrid guitar, it is both acoustic and electric.
Okay. So do you play classical or non-classical on the guitar?
No sir, non-classical only.
Non-classical.
Yes sir.
What is the second hobby you said?
Sir, I write Hindi poetry.
Tell me one of your poems.
So recently I wrote a poem on Draupadi's Chirharan. It is like द्युत सभा यू मौन पड़ी थी, द्रुपद कन्या विलख रही थी.
Did we interview last time?
Yes sir. So shall I continue?
No. What is the difference between okay, what is federalism or government for federal government?
So federal government is where the powers are distributed to the local powers, means the state government have the power and the power is distributed in the central and the state government.
Central and state government.
Yes sir.
So what is the status of J&K?
Sir, recently J&K, the Article 360 have been scrapped. So now the power the separate constitution of J&K is no more there. The power of the Indian constitution extend to the J&K government too.
Does Ladakh has any different kind of governance, local governance, and what is it called?
So recently Ladakh has the union territory structure, and sir, local government I am not very aware of that sir.
Who is MP of Ladakh?
Sorry sir, I don't know.
What's happening in Galwan?
Sir, Galwan Valley, the Chinese aggression is there. Recently it has been accused that the Chinese government, Chinese forces cross the line of control border and is occupying Indian territory. So
line of control?
Yes sir, line of actual control.
Okay.
So the Indian government and Chinese government are negotiating the border dispute in that area.
What is Chicken Neck?
So Chicken Neck is the small corridor near the Sikkim that connects India to the northeast India, and it is a very narrow strip.
Okay, if it is captured by adversaries,
Yes.
what India is looking for alternates to catch up with the northeast states?
Sir, if there is capture of Chicken Neck, the entire northeast will be cut off from the mainland India. So India is trying to strengthen its relationship with Bangladesh and Myanmar so that we can have access to the northeast area through alternative routes.
What is the alternative route? Let's talk about Myanmar.
Sir, one of the project is Kaladan River project, where the India is trying to.
All right.
Yes.
So talking about Myanmar,
Yes, sir.
what is the recent very smart move by the India in the international diplomacy and military intents with Myanmar in last 1 week? What has happened with Myanmar in India, which is in the world news?
Sorry, sir, I am not aware of that.
Did I ask you about Myanmar last time?
Yes, sir.
So then you should have read it this time.
So I
You
tried.
should have carried on with the Malabar, with the Myanmar.
Sure, sir, I will
It
try.
is one of the neighboring country in which there is a lot of things happening.
Okay, sir. I
What
will.
is the strategic importance of the port of the Andaman Islands for India?
So Andaman Island is very important because of the Malacca state is very close to that, and the Indian Ocean region that is being China is trying to dominate Indian Ocean, and Andaman and Nicobar can play a vital role in tackling that. And secondly, I have said that the Malacca Strait is important passage for India and the global players too. So to have a say over Strait of Malacca, Andaman and Nicobar is important.
So what is India doing in Andaman and Nicobar Island to keep it strategically important and alive?
Sir, it is being made a integrated command center where all the three Navy, Indian Navy, Army, and the Air Force will have an integrated.
What is the name of the command?
Sorry, sir, I am not aware of the name.
So okay. Let's talk about Chandrayaan.
Yes, sir.
Tell me something about Chandrayaan in a minute.
Sir, Chandrayaan was launched by ISRO. Chandrayaan 2 project was recently launched, and there were two parts of it: the lander and there was the orbiter. But the landing was not very successful, and it got crashed there. But the orbiter is still working, and we are hopeful that we will have successful data from that.
Recently, some landing has taken over one of the unknown landing surface in the space by one of the shuttles of the America. Can you tell me something?
Sorry, sir, I have no idea about that.
Which newspaper you read?
So the Hindu. The Hindu.
Today is the 10th day of festival at Dashara.
Yes, sir.
What is the background of celebrating Dashara in India? Religiously, socially, or otherwise? Philosophically?
Yes, sir. So Dasara religiously is about that the Mahishasur was killed by goddess Durga, and we have socially we have importance that about women empowerment. The Durga is considered, every girl in India is considered as a Durga, and so she is a holy person, and we have to respect the women empowerment, and we have to work for the progress of the women. And yes, sir.
Or anything philosophical?
Sir,
Or in ethics, anything we have in our ethics?
yes, sir. Every year we
Ethical history?
so every year we try to burn Ravan on that day. So it is considered as destruction of the evil forces. So that is one thing.
Destruction of evil forces.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Tell me something about your sports qualities.
Sir, I like playing badminton, and I played cricket in my college and school. So these are the two sports.
Okay, so cricket, now this is a batsman. You are a batsman or a bowler?
So bowler.
Bowler. So you are a bowler. Tell me what is googly?
So googly is, if I am a leg spinner, I'll try to spin it the other way. Means I'll try to spin it
Who is the best googly player in the world so far? Bowler.
googly batsman, or sir you are asking bowler?
Bowler. Googly is a
So
bowler.
bowler, I can have recently the Yuzvendra Chahal is very good bowler right now.
Anybody from Sri Lanka who was a very profound googly bowler?
Sir Muthaiya Muralidharan is famous bowler, but he can have a dusra too. Yeah.
Those are. Coming to Sri Lanka, how is the relation with India and Sri Lanka?
So India and Sri Lanka relation is very good, but there are some irritants between them. But overall, the relation is Quite good. Recently, there is a issue regarding the fishing ground near the Kachatevu island, and there is one more issue going on is regarding.
How far is Kachadevu Island from Rameshwaram?
Sorry, sir, I am not aware about the distance.
What is, do you know about Sagar Setu project?
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
So Sagar Setu project was about recently the Rameshwaram, the bridge that was mythologically important for India. It was trying to have a passage through that. So that is the project.
What will happen? What is the importance of this passage? What will it?
So it will cut down the distance. We have to circulate whole
What
of.
is the distance that it will cut down?
Sir, we have to circulate whole of Sri Lanka.
What is the distance it will cut down?
Sorry, sir, I don't know the exact distance.
Where is Tuticorin?
So Tuticorin is in India. They are near Tamil
Which
Nadu.
state?
Tamil Nadu.
What is exclusive economic zone of a country?
Sir, exclusive economic zone.
What fisheries?
Yes, sir. Exclusive economic zone, as defined by UN clause, is that it is from 200 nautical miles from the coast of India, coast of any country.
Tell me something about South China Sea.
So South China is the contested area. That is, China is trying to dominate. China says that it is their territorial region, but as per UN clause, it is not. It have recently given the verdict that it is not the sole dominance of the China.
Who was king of Bhagalpur? If you take it, the kings of Mahabharata.
Sir, Karna was the king.
And what was the name of the state?
Sir, Angh Pradesh was the name.
Andhra Pradesh. Very nice. Why have you given CISF as your first choice?
So giving CISF as my first choice is because the diversity of job is immense there. CISF is no more only the industrial protection force right now. It is protecting PSUs, the nuclear power plants, the Delhi Metro, the UPSC office, and even they have posted under UN in Haiti too. So the opportunity is diverse here.
When was CISF Act came into life?
So 1969.
1969.
Yes.
What does ITBP do? Your second choice.
Sir, ITBP is also called as HIMBIR. They are protecting the Indo-China.
Which wheel?
HIMBIR.
MB.
So they are protecting Indo-China border from Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh.
What is the maximum rank which you are likely to rise as on today's policy in CISF if you join?
Sorry, sir, I could not get the question. Sorry, sir, I
What
could.
is the maximum rank would you rise in CAPF, CISF in present policy, which if you are given the appointment as CISF assistant commander?
So IG is the maximum rank I can get.
Do you know how many IGs are in CISF today from the cadre?
No, sir.
What is the work profile of assistant commander in CISF?
Sorry, sir, I again could not get.
What is the work profile?
Yes, sir.
What does he do as assistant commandant if you are appointed? What will you do in our operational first posting? Where do you massage yourself and what is your role?
Sir, as an assistant commandant, I will be posted anywhere in the country, and I will have a certain number of people under a battalion under me, and I will have to command them. So if there is any problem related to insurgency or any law and order problem,
you are posted on Patna Airport.
Yes, sir.
Your first appointment.
Yes, sir.
And you find a small bag reported to you lying next to the baggage lift.
Yes, sir.
What is your action as assistant commandant?
Sir, as an assistant commandant, I will have to investigate if there is anything harmful in that bag. Maybe it might be an explosive. So I will have to call a team of a bomb expert who will investigate that bag first. That is my first.
You are sitting in your room and there is a call that there is a bag there.
Okay, sir.
Now your action from your office starts.
So first thing I will, if my office is far away, I will.
You are on the airport.
Okay, sir. Sir, then I'll go to that side, and I'll first of all surround that area. Means I'll have a barricade around that so that no one come near that. And if possible, I'll try to evacuate the airport in case of any harmful bomb is there, so that the civilians are safe. And after that, I'll try to call a bomb squad and will study that. In case it is not bomb, I'll investigate it further.
Okay, Prince, you belong from
Yes, sir.
Bhagalpur, Bihar.
Yes, sir.
Assembly elections are going in Bihar.
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me major problems of major social and social problems of Bihar?
Sir, one of the major social problem is the caste system. We have very rigid caste system, and the discrimination between the upper caste and lower caste is immense. And secondly, the lack of women empowerment, the dowry problem is also there. So the two problem, these are the two problems I can think of.
Okay. Can you tell me some any social program which have been launched by the Bihar government recently?
The social program. So there is reservation for women and every sector there. That is the one of the major social.
I am asking about the name of the program or scheme.
Sorry, sir, I am not.
Okay. You are an engineer
Yes, sir.
and want to join CAPF.
Yes, sir.
Why an engineer want to be a police officer?
So from the very beginning, I was very much inclined towards that, joining the forces. I gave my CDS exam when I was in college, but I could not clear it. Then again, there was university entry scheme of Navy in the college, where I was not, where I could not qualify SSB. And again, I tried giving civil services, putting IPS as my first option, but I could not clear the main. So I came across CAPF, and I very much liked the job profile. So I applied for it. Last year I could not clear the CAPF, but this year I could, and so I am trying to be an officer.
You said you appeared in CDS.
Yes, sir.
And you have not mentioned your CDS in DAF5, so?
Sir, sorry, sir, I forgot to mention that. I was not very much aware that we have to mention that. I was inclined towards the civil service only.
Okay, can you difference between CDS and NDA?
So CDS is on the university level, and NDA is on the +2 levels. This is the one difference I can.
Any other differences?
Sir, after joining NDA, we are going to graduate from there. But CDS, we are already graduate, so there is more like a training program is there.
You are a poet also.
Yes, sir.
Tell me some well-known poet who belongs to Bihar.
So Ramdhari Singh Dinkar is one of the famous poet, and he is also known as Rashtravi. Rashtravi.
Rashtravi.
Yes, sir.
Do you know any of his poem or literature or a book?
Yes, sir. Rasmi Rathi is one of his famous books. And
what is the context of Rasmi Rathi?
So Rasmi Rathi is written about is Mahabharat, written from the Kan's perspective. Everything is narrated from the Kan's perspective, what he feels, what should be there, and everything from his perspective.
Karn.
Yes, sir.
What about the king of Kang, which is in Bhagalpur?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, do you relate yourself to the Karn or not?
Sorry, sir, I could not get.
Can you relate yourself to the Karn?
Yes, sir. Few things I like about him. So few personalities I can relate.
Like?
So like his the Danveer Karn, as he said, he tried to donate too much to the poor people or anyone who asked his help. And second was his the commitment towards his friendship was immense. And these two qualities I like.
Suppose that after this interview you will leave this office.
Yes, sir.
As you go outside,
Yes, sir.
you saw that a person attacked a girl with a knife.
Yes, sir.
What will be your course of action?
So first I will try to get to that person and stop that assault if there is still going on. I'll try to overpower him with the, I'll try to call public and I'll try to overpower him. Secondly, I'll try to provide if any first aid possible to that girl so that immediate harm is not there, and I'll try to call an ambulance so that she is taken proper care of, and after that I'll inform police about the incident.
Okay. CSF is your second phase.
The first choice,
First phase. And second phase?
ITBP.
IDBP.
Yes, sir.
And can you tell me about BSF?
Yes, sir. BSF is known as Border Security Force. It is posted near India-Pakistan border and India-Bangladesh border. It was formed after the Indo-Pak war to have a comprehensive border management throughout the bordering states.
Okay. Had BSF have any fought any war with Indian Army?
Sir, I am not aware of that, sir.
Okay. Can you do you know about Naxalism?
Yes, sir.
What is that?
So, Naxalism originated from the Naxalbari district in Siliguri, West Bengal. It follows Maoist ideology, and they try to mobilize people against the government, and they sometimes they use force to force against the people to join them so that they can wage a war against the government.
There is terms. There are two terms. One is Naxalism.
Yes, sir.
And Naxals, and other is urban Naxals.
Yes, sir.
What is difference between them?
Sir, there is no concrete definition as per the government policies, but what is going on right now is that the Naxals, they are operating in they are the militants that are operating in the rural pockets or the difficult terrain of India, but the urban Naxals, they are providing a face to they are providing a political face to them and protect them in a legal way, and they promote their ideology in the urban sector.
Any political face who is supporting Naxalism?
Sir, recently Satan Swami was arrested as a on Naxalism charge.
Can you tell any social schemes which are launched in Naxal affected areas?
Yes, sir. There is one district mineral foundation that is being launched, and another is backward regional grant fund that is for the Naxal areas.
Any other programs?
Sir, Eklavya school is also there for the tribal school, so that is for the Naxal areas too.
Okay, suppose that I have given you 3D. One is development, one is dialogue.
Sorry, sir, I could not get.
There are 3D.
Yes, sir.
One is development, other is dialogue, third one is defense.
Yes, sir.
How will you set them in a chronology if you have launched this in any Naxal affected area?
So first of all, I will try to provide a defense, because development work cannot go beyond when there is no defense to that. So defense is the first priority. Secondly, I will try to have a dialogue between the people, the Naxals and the government, and if they agree or not, that is a different point. And after that, development is the ultimate vaccine where the people can be integrated to the mainstream society.
Okay, thank you. Your formal interview is over. I will call later.
Thank you, sir.